All right, it's about that time. Going for a lot walk. Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around the car lot pointing out all the new rides that came in this last week. I do this every Monday. That way you know exactly what we're getting in. And of course throughout the week, which in this case I've already got them all done, I'll put out test drives, walk-arounds. We also do Snapchats, TikToks, Instagram. Check us out, Maple Motors Muscle Car, on any of those platforms. You can also check out maplemotors.com to see current inventory. We update that every Monday. We'll also put sold on the ones that sell throughout the week. We do that with all the videos here as well. So hit subscribe, tell your friends, share, like. We're gonna get started here. So what I'll do is I'll run around, tell you the year and the price on these cars, show you all the new ones that are available. Let's get started. So right here in the front, 66 Impala Convertible. This is available, $26,900. Test drive videos are out, walk around videos are out, and I've now been doing both of them in one video instead of two. Right next to that, a 1967 Chevelle. This video is coming out today. This is a 4-speed car, $29,900. If you want to see under the hood, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every ride. Right next to that, a true SS 1967 Chevelle. This one's $36,900. Gives you a nice perspective. Both 67s. One's not an SS, one is. $29,900 and $36,900. This one's already sold. We had it last week, 1971 Chevelle. This one also sold, a 70 GTO. We had that one available last week. Another new piece that just come in. I think this is a 49 custom Ford. This is Pops' first car. Not the exact one, but this is what he drove back in the day. He told me that the other day. I thought that was really cool. This one's $17,900, and this thing is sweet. I don't see this lasting this week at all. It's just really clean inside and out. I had my son help me make the video. Of course, you got to have a fastback Mustang, 1967 model, 351 Windsor, roll cage completely set up. It's a very nice car. Of course, you see these going for 80 grand plus all the time, and yet we have one here for $65,900. That's why I put it in the gate. That's probably going to be a quick one as well. Right next to that, 1966 model Mustang Convertible. This is a very nice car, $31,900, custom wheels. You got disc brakes on it. Beautiful interior. You see some stuff in the background like this one. This is a personal ride. Drove it to work today. All those are personal rides over there. This one right here is on hold at the moment. Could very possibly come back up for sale. I think it would be, you know, it's a 1971 Camaro. Just be looking. If it does pop back on, you'll see it on the website. Right now it's on hold, but hold does not mean sold. 1979 Camaro sitting right here. $14,900 on that one. We'll throw some of these sheets up in the window. If any paperwork that we have, we try to throw it up in the window, let you know about the car. And of course, you can come up and walk around the car lot at any time. You don't have to make an appointment. Just come on up. This is a 1976 Camaro sitting here. Very surprised we haven't sold this already. It's a pretty nice car all the way around, runs and drives good. Check it out, the videos are up and going. $14,900. If you ever come up to the lot, you'll notice that we let you be. A lot of people will come up and look at these cars like it's, you know, local car show or something. We usually just let everybody walk around, enjoy themselves. If you do need help, come right into that office right there and we will take care of you. We don't stalk customers down or anything like that. We just kind of let you be out here. But we have had people in the past think that was rude, which that's just how we work here. We're a family business. So this one here is a 1966 Corvette, and we just marked the price down. I need to get on here on YouTube, mark the price down on the video. This one has been here for a second, so we went ahead and dropped it a couple thousand, and check it out. It's got a custom front end. The video's worth checking out too. It does have some flaws, scratches. Be sure to check that one out. Right next to that, this video is up and ready, and I'll have it out to you hopefully today. 1986 Monte Carlo SS. This one's $12,900. Decent little car here. Okay. Right beside that, I believe this was an 85, maybe an 86 Monte Carlo. Videos are up and running. This was an 86 model, and we have it at $15,900. So be sure to check that out. We got two of them right now, and I think there's another one coming next week. So keep your eyes peeled, and we'll have it out to you. If you didn't see me mention it in this video, it's not available, so don't call on anything in the backgrounds. Because look, see the big thing on the windshield there? Sold. If it's available, I'm going to try to sell it to you, that's for sure. This is another new one, 1976 Corvette. It's like the only one that I didn't get the test drive done of last week, so this is going to be what I do today. Actually, I got two. This one and the 57 over there. I still got to test drive those today. So I'm going to knock this video out, go ahead and get ready and take these down the road. This one is $13,900, got the T-tops. Pretty nice looking car. Wonder if that horn works. Oh, it does. Seems like they always work in the walk around video. Coming right up to the front of the lot here, I went ahead and pulled all the stuff that is available out of the showroom. That being said, everything's pretty much sold in the showroom, but like two cars, so I went ahead and pulled them out here onto the lot. This one right here is a 1957 Chevrolet. We got it for $29,900. This is a Bel Air model. And I love the interior on this one. Hopefully it's unlocked. It's not. I thought it was, because that looked like it was, but I done locked it back. If you look in there, it's nice. And I do have the videos available of this one. It'll be out later today. Got another 57 Chevy. This one's $27,900, a little bit cheaper. But it does have a few little paint flaws I would point out, and I'm going to today. So if you're patient, I'll have them out to you as quick as I can. Seeing if this one was unlocked too. It's not. Look at the back end on these. Put the gas in back here. Pretty cool. Okay, I still got another portion of the car lot to check out here. We're gonna go on over to the showroom, look around for a second, and hit the lot back up. You know I'm gonna mention Pops' Hot Wheels room. This is Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel right here on YouTube. Go on over, check it out. I'll put links to it. He has a large collection of miniature cars. So not only do we have the miniature cars, we have the full-size ones. Be sure to check out the videos at Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel. And if you come up here, you're interested in buying some, just ask him. He'll take you over here to the room. Let's get back to the big ones. And of course, if you're new to the channel, all the music is made by me and my band. Check out Southgate Production right here on YouTube. You can see all of our music. I give most of it out for free. You can see us on Spotify, Amazon Music, iTunes, pretty much anywhere you can listen to music. I have it on there. We don't give out CDs anymore because, I mean, you can live stream it for free. So go check it out. Let's get started back on here. 1960 Bel Air Four-Door 15.9. This one's got a custom set of Riddler wheels, patina paint job, been lowered, disc brakes on the front, and very nice interior. Looking pretty sweet up in here. All right. This one's already sold. We do have the Corvette available. This one's $25,900. Videos are already up and running on this one, so you can check it out. It's a 1967 Corvette. Already sold the Challenger. Sometimes they go fast up here. Usually on Mondays they go pretty quick. This is a 74. Right next to that, we got a nice Impala. This one's $27,900. This one is available, and it's a 1966 model. Be sure to check that out. Okay, we're gonna walk around the lot one more time, make sure we didn't miss anything. We are a family business of 38 years, going on 39 years. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com. We get out here, decode these motors, check them out, tell you any kind of flaws that we can find, because we want you to know exactly what you're getting before you get it. All right, just to make sure we didn't miss anything, right here on the front row, 66 Convertible Impala. That is available for $26,900. 67 Chevelle 4-speed, $29,900. Another 67, this is a real SS right here, $36,900. Sold on the 71. Sold on the 70 GTO. And then the 49 Custom Ford, $17,900. I absolutely love this car. After driving and everything, look at the front end. Isn't that cool? Right next to that, 67 Mustang Fastback, $65,900. Video is coming out soon today. Roll cage, harnesses, bucket seats, custom dash. Dual exhaust out the back. Of course, right there on the corner of the lot, a 66 Mustang Convertible. This one is $31,900. This Camaro may become available next week. It's a 71 model, because hold does not mean sold. 79 model Camaro, $14,900. 75 model Camaro, $14,900. Wait, 6, that's what this one is, 76 model, sorry about that. 66 Corvette with side pipes, custom front end. Just marked down, $34,900. Got a nice white Monte Carlo here. This is an 86 model for $12,900. Another 86 for $15,900. Jason's back here decoding motors. Should be a good Corvette. I haven't test driven it yet, but I will today. It's a 76 model for $13,900. And he'll have that motor decoded before I do the video, so I can just ask him. Helps out quite a bit. That was my uncle back there. Like I said, we're all family here. 57 Chevy, $29,900. Another 57 Chevy, $27,900. You can actually compare the two videos once I get done with them, and you'll understand why we price the cars the way we do. My father's standing right behind that one there. He's out here stocking some stuff in. This is a 60 model Bel Air Four-Door, $15,900. Of course, sold on the Firebird. Corvette is available, $25,900. and it's a 67 model. Of course, Challenger sold. Impala's available for $27,900. This is a 66 model. I do appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, if you're new, hit subscribe. I post videos weekly and I post test drive videos daily. I try to, at least. Sometimes I bombard you with 5, 6 videos a day. And that kind of kills it for the weekend when I'm all out of videos, but I'm constantly posting to TikTok under Maple Motors Muscle Cars. I'm also always on Facebook posting stuff. Snapchat is a must. Instagram, I'm on there too, so check us out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it, hit like, and I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.